Welcome to week 8. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. This is the last week in the course. Welcome to week 8. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. This is the last week of the course. This is week 8 of the 8-week summer session. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's what you'll see. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various assignments, activities, and exams. Since this is the last week of the summer session, everything must be submitted by Sunday, August 10th. The system won't allow you to submit anything after that. You can also find reminders of when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's what's coming up due this week. Key concepts for chapters 10 to 14 are due on Canvas on Thursday, August 8th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment has been available for a few weeks. Please take a careful look at the assignment guidelines. Reflection question number 4 are due on Canvas Friday, August 9th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment will become available tomorrow, Monday, August 4th. I finished grading reflection number 3. Many of you are still missing this assignment. Read the guidelines carefully so you may achieve the highest points possible. It is important to remember that you need to include references to class material that includes PowerPoints, instructional lecture notes, videos, and especially the textbook. Exam number 3, chapter 10 to 14 is due on Canvas Saturday, August 10th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment has been available. Welcome to week 8. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a good weekend. This is the last week of the course. This is week 8 of the 8-week summer session. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. Since this is the last week of the summer session, everything must be submitted by Saturday, August 10th. The system won't allow you to submit anything after that. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. Key concepts for chapter 10 to 14 are due on Canvas Thursday, August 8th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment has been available for a few weeks. Please take a careful look at the assignment guidelines. Reflection questions number 4, due on Canvas Friday, August 9th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment will become available tomorrow, Monday, August 4th. I finished grading reflection number 3. Many of you are still missing this assignment. Read the guidelines carefully so you may achieve the highest points possible. It is important to remember that you need to include references to class materials that includes PowerPoints, instructional lecture notes, videos, and especially the textbook. Exam number 3, chapters 10 to 14 is due on Canvas Saturday, August 10th by 11:59 p.m. The assignment has been available since last week. Please read the directions carefully and submit it according to the submission guidelines. Additional points. Make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook, as well as make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from a slightly different version of the textbook, but the topics, themes, and content for each of the chapters are exactly the same, so they will still work. A few people are missing assignments and are not active in the class. Remember that you can always submit or resubmit assignments, but you will lose points if submitted after the deadline. We're winding down the class, so if you're behind in assignments, submit them as soon as possible, because at some point time will run out. Canvas will not let the assignment be available after Saturday, August 10th. So make sure you complete all the remaining assignments by the deadline. Shortly after that, I need to finalize the grades so they can be submitted early in the week. After the results are available So you can submit it early in the week after, so the results can be available before the fall semester 2019 starts. I will be grading the film review and news discussion number 4 next couple of days. For your information, this is the current number of points of what has been submitted and graded as of Sunday, August 4, 2019. 3 reflections for 45 points each, 135. News discussion, three of them for 45 points, 135 points. Map quizzes, 4 of them for 20 points each, 80 points. Exams, 2 of them for 100 points, 200. Key concepts, 2 for 50 points each, 100 points for a total of 650 points. Some of you may have more than that number of points if you have done exam number 3 and map quiz number 5, which I technically not do yet. I also still have not graded news number 4 and the film review yet, so that will add another 125 points. Please take a look at the grading scale on the syllabus to know what you need to do to get the grade that you need. Here it is for your information. Your grade will be determined based on the following grading scale. 900 to 1,000 points is an A. 800 to 899 points is a B. 700 to 799 points is a C. 600 to 699 points is a D. Anything below 600 points would be an F. Best, Samuel Cortez. See you online.